Drone with 4K camera for adults, AUOSHI quadcopter with brushless motor, altitude hold, Waypoint fly, 2 batteries, carrying case. Product details. About this item. Airplane open black lens bracket 4K HD dual cameras closed black lens bracket. S1's drone is equipped with 2 4K HD cameras for adults and beginners and can be switched freely. The front camera is suitable for selfie and video shooting, and the bottom camera can enjoy a wider view of the sky. In addition, through FPV transmission, you can see the live video shot by the drone on the mobile app. Take photos and videos at any time and share them quickly on social media. Airplane open black lens bracket 4 high power brushless motors closed black lens bracket. 4 professional grade brushless motors with speeds of up to 3000 revolutions per minute provide greater power and wind resistance. Brushless motors outperform conventional motors in terms of work efficiency. Airplane open black lens bracket optical flow positioning and altitude hold closed black lens bracket. The optical flow positioning function helps the drone excel in accurate positioning and photography, suitable for beginners and photography enthusiasts. Combined with the basic function altitude hold mode, you can lock the altitude and position more accurately and take HD photos and videos stably. Airplane open black lens bracket ultra long flying time closed black lens bracket. 2 intelligent batteries for up to 30 minutes ultra long flight time. Besides, it also can reach up to 100 meters control distance, giving you more extensive flight experience. Airplane open black lens bracket user-friendly and designed for beginner closed black lens bracket. Just one key is all it takes to take off and to land the drone. Keep it simple to control for even beginners. Other functions, like headless mode, speed adjustment functions, altitude hold mode, hand gesture photo, video. Best choice with enough fun for beginners.